I've been around the world, I needed you to know. All around the world, I never thought I'd go. This far around the world, I needed you to know. I've been around, I had to find my way back home.
Okay, I'm gonna kind of catch up on what's been going on. Today is July 3rd. It's Saturday, so we are in the middle of Hurricane Elsa, which, if you don't know, is a hurricane coming across the Caribbean. It's supposed to hit us Tuesday. We've been kind of following it, saying around like 7 p.m.ish, but we're already starting to get a ton of rain. And so we decided we were gonna go boating today, and we kind of got stuck in the storm, and I decided to pull up the GoPro and get some really funny moments, so I hope y'all enjoy those. Yeah, but that's kind of what we've been doing, just kind of waiting out for the storm to pass, and I hope y'all enjoy the videos. Love you!
Oh, hold on. Can we switch the language?
Coming in strong. I think Elsa's here. Tell me, you think Elsa made it over? Hey, you're the crap. Freedom boat! We need some help! Freedom boat! They fucking left! Sound like who are these fucking yahoos? Go little.
Happy July 4th, everyone. So tomorrow, I think we're doing like a workout in the morning, and then I have a final at 8 a.m. that I need to take, and then we're gonna do hurricane prep a lot tomorrow. And yeah,